SUMAR 1 Airport Industrial Park. Today, global world tendencies demand more competitiveness. Companies are required to develop technologies and market strategies that will allow them to perform total quality product and merchandise handling. This is why the government of Zacatecas created the SUMAR 1 Airport Industrial Park. Zacatecas is a modern and competitive state in constant development, which is now modernizing to become a pillar and reference point in the Mexican and global economies. The world's largest beer brewery is found in Zacatecas. Corona, produced by the Modelo Group, is the most widely recognized beer worldwide. It is distributed in 180 countries on 5 continents. Zacatecas had the greatest national economic growth in 2014, according to Oxford Economics. Companies that currently have facilities in the state are Delphi, Aresti, Toyotsu, Triumph, Murakami, Tachis, Yamashita, Koide, and Nagakura. It is one of the states with the best logistics, with a highway, airway, and railway infrastructure, connecting it to the most important manufacturing centers while lowering costs and travel. Within a radius of 118 miles, you can find the General Motors plant, and then the BMW plant in San Luis Potosí. Within 171 miles, the Honda, Mazda, General Motors, and Volkswagen plants in Guanajuato. Within 203 miles, the Honda plant in Jalisco. Within 77 miles, the Nissan plant in Aguascalientes. And within 177 miles, the General Motors plant in Coahuila. Within a radius of greater than 372 miles, you can find the Ford plants in Chihuahua and in Sonora. In addition, the SUMAR 1 Airport Industrial Park is only 388 miles from Mexico City, 203 miles from Guadalajara, and 290 miles from Monterrey, where Kia Motors will be placed. The park is 372 miles from the port of Manzanillo, next to the Pacific Ocean, and 372 miles from the port of Tampico to the Gulf of Mexico. The location of the state of Zacatecas definitely turns it into a strategic pole for developing and attracting investments. Regarding tourism, Zacatecas is one of the most attractive places to visit. Its diverse locations offer a fantastic experience for all travelers, guaranteeing fun, recreation, and leisure with traditional warm hospitality. Located in the central northern region of Mexico, Zacatecas is one of the most beautiful pieces of the mosaic that makes up this nation. In 1993, Zacatecas was named a World Heritage Site by UNESCO for its urban appearance, rich architecture, and history, not forgetting the optimal quality of life in the state. For the educational sector, Zacatecas has over 49 higher education universities. The SUMAR 1 Airport Industrial Park gazes over the urbanization and modification in its first step of 207 hectares. It was planned and designed applying the HVM Holistic Vision Quality Model, which encourages economic and social development, creating sustainable, intelligent, and competitive infrastructure in order to attract investments and the strengthening of Zacatecas' economy. The park's interior customs office will be located nearby the production plant in order to have an efficient and effective customs service close to the production and storage centers. There will be a logistic zone to facilitating company development that is destined for the international market. The international airport in Zacatecas borders the industrial park. This has the necessary infrastructure to carry out air shipment operations as well as transporting passengers to national and international destinations. The park has natural gas in order to provide for the company's needs, a treated water network and treatment plant, voice and data network, as well as its own energy substation. It complies with the strictest national and international standards under the HIM Holistic Infrastructure Methodology application. There are more and more world-class companies that trust in the SUMAR 1 Airport Industrial Park. The availability of qualified workers with higher education, guaranteeing a peaceful, stable workforce that reflects the competitiveness of the companies. The business environment in the state of Zacatecas and friendly and facilitating attitude of the state government toward investors make Zacatecas the ideal place for your businesses. The infrastructure is ready. The opportunity is here. Zacatecas has much to offer. Zacatecas is joining the investment. SUMAR 1 Airport Industrial Park.